How to update the app Hulu. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to update Hulu app. In order to update the Hulu app onto your device, it depends on the type of device that you are on. So if you're going with the Android, you want to go to the App Store, tap the search at the bottom, type in Hulu on this address bar, and here you have Hulu and look for the update button. If you see an update button, you just want to click open that up or tap onto it and wait for it once it is completely updated. Now here's what you need to do it for an Android iOS device. You need to open up App Store and go click onto the search bar and type in Hulu on the search, and you could go ahead and update as well. So this way you'll be able to update the Hulu app on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And also while doing this procedure, make sure your device software is updated to the latest version, as well as you're connected to a stable internet connections. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.